it's TBF Cyclone with your tropical update for the day. We have a lot of systems down in the South Pacific and South Indian Ocean and Australian region. Starting off with Invest 92P, it's got a low chance of developing in the next 24 hours, which it probably won't develop. Earlier this week, it had a high chance of developing, but that's plummeted to almost nothing. Here we have newly named Tropical Cyclone, or Category 1 Tropical Cyclone Ray in the South Pacific, threatening Fiji with strong winds, rain, and storm surge, but Fiji will be, the bad side of the storm is on this side. Fiji will be on the good side, so they won't be too affected, and it's expected to stay pretty weak. We have Invest 96P, which has a medium chance of developing over the next 24 hours. If this does develop, it could threaten Vanuatu. I'm not really sure what the track would be after that. And then also newly named Alfred in the Australian region, Category 2 tropical cyclone on the Australian scale. It might bring rough seas to the Australian east coast, but a landfall seems unlikely right now. And then we also have Cyclone 20S, a Category 1 tropical cyclone on the Australian scale. It does not have the 10-minute sustained winds yet to get a name. So once it does, it will get a name. In fact, actually, I think it might already be named, and this just hasn't updated. And then this would be, yeah. So Bianca right here, I think this is that, and it just hasn't been named, or it hasn't updated it. So, well, there's one more system right here, Invest 95S. It's kind of looking like it's starting to organize, but right now it's still at a low chance of development in the next 24 hours, but I'll keep an eye on it for y'all. So let's look at the satellite imagery for these systems. So Invest 92P it's the one not looking that good, and I doubt will develop. Tropical Cyclone 18 is actually Alfred. This just hasn't updated yet to the name. This is Alfred. Ray is a newly developed tropical cyclone threatening Fiji with strong winds. Nothing too significant, I don't think, for Fiji. It won't be too significant of an impact. 20 is the newly named Bianca right here. I was looking at it yesterday, and it was looking pretty well developed, so I'm not surprised. That was before it got a name, so I'm not surprised it's developed now. Invest 96P is the one that has a medium chance in between Alfred and Ray. This thing's been acting slow today, excuse me. This is the one that's got a medium chance in between Alfred and Ray. And then 95S is the one near Madagascar. Why do I keep doing it? Is the one near Madagascar. That's also got a low chance that I'm going to keep an eye on because it's kind of looking like it's starting to get developed. In the Atlantic, nothing much going on. I saw something that there's a potential of a subtropical storm developing Tuesday. And then here are water temperatures. I'm going to keep an eye on these. They're running above average for the most part in the basin, except for below average like here and then up the east coast of the United States, and then off of Africa. But mostly above average, and we have a La Nina in place right now. We'll see if it's still here by June. Probably not. So this year will probably be a neutral season. But that's kind of it. Not really, other than these newly developed systems. None of them are threatening a huge impact to land. The only one really threatening an impact to land is Ray. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see ya.